Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 5th, 2022. Yeah, Charlie Munger may be wrong about Alibaba stock. Yeah, I think he was being seen on television or was quoted in an article saying that he was a buyer in Alibaba stock. Not only is he wrong, I might be wrong too. I mean, look at my chart. I was looking for Alibaba to go up and price has completely fell. Yeah. I'm going to talk about that. Don't worry about it. I'll show you all of my price predictions and the results of it being fully transparent. You guys appreciate the videos, the content, hit the like button, share video, subscribe to the channel because everyone else has you all bogged down reading earnings reports and reading articles and paying attention to inflation and paying attention to Jerome Powell to see if it's going to increase interest rates. Then you're going to be paying attention to the Russian-Ukrainian conflict or war, and then you're going to be thinking about all the supply constraints that's going on in China and the Evergrande situation. Is always some type of event that people want you all to focus in on. Not me. You just need to focus in on the price, because you don't think that everyone else on Wall Street, all of the smart individuals on Wall Street, is not doing the same thing before they actually come in and play in the stock market. I mean, let's think about this here. Yeah, before they come in and actually play in the market, they think about all of those things that I've just mentioned, and they run forecasts. They do their own particular type of secretive, proprietary algorithms. Yeah, they do it before they come in and buy the market. You don't think Charlie Munger is not in that position? You don't think that if he understands that the market that he's looking at was at one point a buy, that he's not no longer buying? And by the time you get wind of him actually getting out his position in Alibaba, you'll be down 40% when the whole time he's been selling. He's not going to give you his playbook. Nobody's going to give you their playbook. The only playbook that we have from looking on the outside, trying to get in to see what Wall Street is doing, is by looking at the price chart. That's the only way we can see what they're trying to do. So let me show you all what I think now in Alibaba. All right. You appreciate it. Hey, join the team, join the community. The doors are open. Hit the like button, share the video. Also subscribe to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because you do not want to miss out on my price prediction. I'm just going to keep it real. You don't want to miss it. I'm not going to have you out here holding these stocks for the next 50 years, for the next 100 years, as some people are purporting to do here on this platform and various others. Now, look at this. I did a video in Alibaba on February 17th. Yeah, I was playing the strength into the market. I was looking for the price in Alibaba to give us some strength. Now, it only happened in one day. That was it. One day. We've seen the price in Alibaba go up following the price prediction. And literally that day. That was it. I don't like what happened. When you see the results, you got to reformulate what your original intentions were. I get it. The market in Alibaba could not even maintain this consolidational trading range right here. That would be one thing if the market in Alibaba stayed within this section right here. It'll be one thing if we saw that today, right? But even the market in Alibaba could not hold this price there. We fell straight through this area. That tells me something is not right. That tells me that we need to pay attention if we're looking for the price to go up in Alibaba. And not only that, we saw the market break this rectangle on the 23rd of February. And we even saw the market try to come back into this rectangle. If we would have seen that, I would say, all right, cool. We're still sitting in an area to where we can still see Alibaba's price go up. But we got rejected on the 1st of March. Come on, we're getting hints. The market is giving us indications every day the market is open. People just don't want to pay attention. Like everyone who's been telling you all to buy Alibaba since the beginning of last year. Yeah, they want you to buy the dip and this market completely fell off. You have to pay attention to the charts. Look at that. So yeah, we're still weak in Alibaba. I don't like what happened. And when I don't see what I expect the market to do, I got to cut it. So let's get rid of it. We're to get out on the last trade. It's about 20% loss. Yeah, it's going to happen. I mean, you're not going to be 100% perfect on your price prediction, your forecast. even those who've been holding since 2020. Now, imagine the people who are looking for Alibaba in the next 5 years, 10 years. These people who bought Alibaba when the price was $310. So you try to tell me in the next 5 years, you suspect that Alibaba is going to increase 218% in the next 5 years. And that is just for you to break even. You're not even grabbing profit at that time. So the market in Alibaba will have to increase higher than 220% just for you to break even in the next 5 years. All right, cool. Let me get rid of this. All right, because I want to show you something else. We already know this downtrend in Alibaba is still strong. This downtrend is still in play. And I identified on the last couple of videos that this market in Alibaba, it needed to hold this trend. Now, as I show you the 3-weekly time frame, I'm going to ask you all the question because I want you all to try to investigate these charts just like I do. Okay, we need to be investigators to see where this market is trying to go. Let me show you the 3-weekly time frame. Now look at this. Do you think the market in Alibaba is going to hold $100? That's a serious question that we need to answer. This is the 3-weekly time frame. Do you really think the market in Alibaba is going to hold $100 right here? I want to know your thoughts, and I'm going to tell you what I think. Because basically, that is an emphatic no. I'm thinking that the market in Alibaba is not going to hold $100. We all have to consider what is going on in the stock market. We don't have to try to attribute some type of event, some type of catalyst as to why price is moving the way it is. We just need to say it's moving the way it is. We don't care about the reason why. We just know that the price is going down. Take a look at this. All of these 3-weekly price bars that we have right now in Alibaba. Look at this. Look at this. We have to answer the question, while price in Alibaba was simply consolidating since last year, December 2021, the market in Alibaba was just consolidating. Price could not break above 130. All the way since December 2021. Now, the market doesn't like to be stagnated. It has to move. It has to give us life. It has to give us volatility in order for us to make money. You cannot make money when the market is stagnated. So the whole time that Alibaba was just consolidating right here, we give the market credit. It tried to break above 130. It just didn't do it. So we have to take the least path of restriction. And if it's down, this is definitely the least path that we need to fall. It's harder for the market to try to break out and try to go up right now. This is what the market is showing us on the 3-weekly time frame. So I'm not looking for Alibaba to go up. No, I'm still looking for the price to go down and even break $100 to the downside. A lot of people are not anticipating that. But this is a very, very weak market. I don't care what chart Munger tries to tell you. This chart is telling us something different. I don't care if he comes out tomorrow on Monday and the next day and tell you that he's buying Alibaba. Okay, but this chart is still anticipated to go down. He's not going to move the market like that. There's too many people here involved in Alibaba that he can actually impact the price. Because if he was buying all the way back when he said he was buying, he's definitely not buying now. Because this price is still weak. Okay, so we need to focus in on over here to where price is headed. Okay, so the next level that I'm trying to see here in Alibaba is going to be around $95. Okay, now that's the first area. The second area is going to be here around 85. Yeah, I know you guys are not anticipating the market in Alibaba to come down to $85 right now. I know, I get it. You want the price to go up 50%. You want the market to head back up to $200. We're not there yet. We're not there. So we have $95 first as our price target. And then the second area is going to be 85, $10 increments. Okay. Look what happened last week. Right there. So let me drop the price prediction right now before you go, so you can see what I think. We're anticipating the price in Alibaba to continue to go down, right? We have $95 first. That gives us around 5.5%. Cool, I get it. Now, basically, playing this from a 3-weekly time frame, we can definitely see Alibaba come all the way down to like $90 to $85 for real. That's around 15% movement to the downside. And the next thing that tells us that this market is weak is that we broke the support area to where the buyers were at. I mean, come on, everyone can see this. The market in Alibaba was able to sustain price from breaking until we did in February the 24th. If we were to see the price still bounce off this horizontal line around 110, we can still maintain some bullishness. But the market is speaking. It didn't do it. So we're still going to play the weakest in Alibaba until price breaks back up above 110. Now, if we do break up above 110, then yeah, cut the play. The market is no longer indicating that it is weak. I mean, it tells us what we need to do. People just don't want to follow it. So let's go ahead and play some weakness here into the market in Alibaba. Looking for the price to go down. We got $95 first, and then maybe around like $86, $85 next. We'll see. But this is it. I just wanted to come in, show you all what we're looking forward to in Alibaba. All right. Now, you don't have to believe the information that you're seeing on the chart. You could come up with your own narrative, push your own thesis that so many other people on YouTube do to try to convince you that this is where price should be for Alibaba. But from our realm, we look at what the smart people are trying to do. All right. Let me know. What do you think? Hit me up. Tell me your price prediction, your price target into the market in Alibaba now, considering what has happened. Make sure you maintain the profitability. Trade different.